So yeah, we were
Okay.
talking about vocabularies. So it
Mm-hmm.
will happen gradually. We just need to speak a lot, and we can do one thing, that listening a lot, some vocabularies which you want to learn. You can, like, whatever
Hmm.
you're thinking that you want to learn those vocabularies, you can listen a
Yeah.
lot and repeat
Hmm.
after that
Hmm.
and speak again and again. That's the way
Hmm.
we can learn vocabularies and try to. I think we should try to
Hmm.
like we should use during conversation. Then day by day we
Yeah.
will remember.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Initially, like initially, it's not. We are not able to speak properly. Even I told you that if I talk about me, I was not able to even speak. So I didn't work on my vocabulary initially, right?
Mm.
When I think that now I'm capable to speak, now I have to start to add some vocabulary to enhance my like communication or confidence level. But yeah, even I can't say that I am not using any word, but some words which I know properly or which I know, but I am not able to speak. Right. But even I think it's my second conversation with you. I had a conversation with Rajni ma'am, and on that time, learned a lot of things where it was my first conversation video where I was moving a lot. I, like learned how's your hand gestures and how do you sit properly. Like everything you learn day by day. Yeah, at
Yes.
the same case, if I talk about the sentence structure, I learned a lot. I have been practicing of this of this language for 1.5 year. But before using the Joe Skills application, I even remember I disconnected the call. Right. And after some time, when I used to talk a lot, then I felt confident. And even I motivated to others. Like initially, you feel demotivated, no matter how broken English you speak, but at least you speak something and
Yeah.
stop translating words. Some person, what they do now, they just think in Hindi and translate in English. But no, it's I also did the same. But now I stopped. What I do when I free or when I do something, I just start, like thinking in English, not in Hindi. And when I feel stuck somewhere, I try to, ask ChatGPT that I feel stuck here. How should I, make sentence of this particular idea? I can say, right?
Yeah,
So
that's
I
true.
think eventually you feel confident when you do
Yes.
practice because consistency is the key. Without consistency you can't, if you are not focusing on your studies properly. I think language is also a study, right? We are studying, somehow we learn a lot of things. You have you like write new words in your journal, and which you learn. I think sometime you need, and if you have time you can open your notebook and just read aloud. Right.
Yes.
So that time you can repeat your words and automatically it repeat and you can speak with your co-learner while talking, like video call. You can use those words and automatically you feel a significant change after a year, after 6 months. Yeah.
Yeah. I
Hmm.
really want to say one thing, that you are already fluent enough. You are speaking quite natural English, and also flawlessly you are speaking, like, you are even not making mistakes. And I'm thinking that you had only one conversation, which was your first, and now this is second conversation, and you are
Hmm.
like confident enough. You are confident enough the way you are speaking right now. So, like, what was your secret to learn English before coming on
Okay.
YouTube, or like with, like us, we are YouTubers, so before that,
Hmm.
this only you did on your own, just having conversation like on audio call, as I told you. Only that you did, or something extra you did? Because the
Uh,
people, when they start having conversation, they are like underconfident. They can't speak fluently. You are speaking in a clear way completely. So I think
mm,
you improved a lot, and now you took that challenge or that step to come on YouTube or to speak with people on video call, right?
yeah. First of all, thank you. It's a great compliment for me. And yeah, Shweta, actually, I have been learning this language from YouTube, and I adopt a holistic approach while speaking or while learning this language, right? Even I told to Rajni ma'am the same thing, that if someone really wants to learn this language, they have to focus or they have to adopt a holistic approach if they really want to learn this language. What people do now, they just focus on specific part. Like if I want to learn English, first I have to focus on grammar. No, when you start your journey now, that time you feel like in writing. I told you that when I do writing, at the time of writing, you are, come across with new words. Automatically, you can correct here or you can learn about grammar, what sentence or which tense I have to use here, where I am lacking, right? Even I am learning. I was, I am not, know about the grammar. I didn't know how to, speak properly and how to express our thoughts in English in a very well mannered way. But when you start learning and when you adopt a holistic approach, you automatically see, significant changes in your speaking. So
Mhm.
I think, uh, in the term of writing, when you do writing, automatically you familiar with new words. You can correct your sentence structure, and yeah, reading. Actually, I am not that much interested in reading, but I am trying to learn. Even I read only one page, which I shared with you today,
You
from the book of
explained,
Atomic Habit, right? And
but
I
you
explained,
explained it really well.
yeah, and I explained you, and I just read only once, seriously, right? And I explained you, and I feel that if I read a lot and if I read day by day, I can motivate myself and others too, right? And in the
Definitely.
term of listening, if someone goes to office, that time they can just plug in their headphones. If they listen something, any conversation videos, any, podcast, they just listen, properly, and they focus only, that video, not see here and there what others do. They just focus and they find new words. They can, like use that particular words in their speaking too, right?
Yeah.
And if they really want to speak, speaking is the important part. It is integral part. If they really want to speak, they have to speak, because without speaking, they can't learn, right? Because if you listen a lot, if you are listening a lot videos, you just able to listen. If you are speaking a lot, then you are able to speak, because without speaking, or words, will not come out from your mouth. They
Yeah.
will possible after doing speaking, not before.
Yeah. So
So
well,
yeah.
you said everything in a really amazing way, I would say.
Okay.
Do you have any question for me, or I think we are about to end?
Okay, no worries. We will definitely connect with each other again, right? But it was a grateful conversation and wonderful conversation, I can say, with you. And I would like to know about you more, but in the next video, I can